Hi there, this is a quick tutorial how to get tweaked and paid apps for free. So firstly, I'll put both links into the description, but you need to go to this website called Iosgods. This is the link. And firstly, make an account if you haven't got one already. So if not, if you go into the link and you haven't got an account, just go on there, sign in if you've got one, sign up if you haven't. And then just go through your details, display name, like username, email address, password, confirm it, say what iOS device you got, version, jailbroken, yes or no. You're probably not, so press no, but if you are, just tick it like that. And your device, obviously if it's rooted or not. If you've got a dealer, you probably don't. Also, you can tick that off. I normally do, don't unless you want it to bother you, but I'll send you news and updates. But if you did don't, that's fine. And then obviously agree to this. That's obviously the policy. Just agree to that to make an account. You can do Facebook and Google and Twitter to make it quicker, but I've made an account, so obviously I'll go back on here. And then once you're here, click on that. Did it again. Sorry about that. Bang, sign in.